How to get Wondershare Filmora coupon code. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Wondershare Filmora. Then, hit on the official website of Wondershare Filmora. Here you can see this is the official website of Wondershare Filmora. Now, go on the top. On the top right, you will see option of Filmora. Simply tap on that. Once you go there, on the top, you will see a lot of options. Among them, choose pricing. Here you will get the best deals from Wondershare Filmora. The middle one, Perpetual Plan, is the most popular one, where you can get all of the feature under $49.99. Simply tap on the buy now and then you will be proceed to your payment. In this way, you can easily get coupon code. Thank you for watching.